Hello and welcome to the next video of AutoCAD series. In this video we are going to talk about command line window, which is this guy, and this is one of the most powerful tools of the AutoCAD user interface, and it helps us by typing the name of commands to get access to most of the commands of the software. In fact, the invention of these tools comes from when the AutoCAD users had to type the name of commands because they were working in a DOS environment before the invention of Windows, and they didn't have these visual panels and visual commands, so they had to type the name of commands. But the Autodesk has kept these tools for us because most of the AutoCAD users and even beginners use command line instead of selecting commands from here. And it's mainly because it's very easy to use, and it can give us the tools very quickly, so it can save plenty of time for us. So let's see how it can help us. First of all, you can select command line and put it wherever you like, and also you can put it here, or if you have two monitors you can put it in your second monitor, and also you can increase the size of it so it can it can show the history of command that you use, and also you can change its transparency here so you can see your line and drawing behind it. Another question that sometimes my student ask is that we cannot find our command line window, and it's because they may accidentally close it. For example, if you select this button here, it asks you, do you want to close the command line window? And if you say yes, it disappears. And if you want to have it again, you just need to press Ctrl and hold it in your keyboard, and also press 9, and you have it again. And it is shown here. Whenever you press Ctrl and 9, you can close and open this command line window. And how we can use it? You just need to type the first or second letter of the command that you are looking for. For example, if I write L, it shows this list, which is called suggestion list or recommended list. And now if I press enter, I can have line, and I can draw a line. And but some comments, like let's say hatch, when you select hatch or some of the comments, you can see some words here that you can select them by clicking on them. And in this way you can have access to more options of that particular command. And some of the words are shown in a blue color, which means that you can type that word, that letter, instead of the whole words or instead of clicking on them. For example, if I type S here, it's like that I click on select objects. And also command line uses autocorrect and autocomplete system. For example, if I write the command table in a wrong way, the AutoCAD understands that we are looking for table. So don't worry about misspelling, and it's very, very helpful. And also you can see some of these options here. You can active or deactivated, for example, autocomplete or autocorrect and others. But my advice is that never deactivate them, because when you are using command line, uh, you need them. They are very, very helpful. So never deactivate these options, but you can explore them. And also, we have some options here. These are the type of comments that we can have access with the help of command line window. And these two options is that, let me show you. When you, for example, type L, this suggestion list is adopted by the most frequency of usage of command. For example, when you use a command again and again, the AutoCAD will adopt this suggestion list for you, and according to your frequency of usage, not by alphabet. And that's very, very helpful. But you can change it here, and you can change the suggestion order by alphabet or alphabetically, which is not that much helpful, and I don't advise you to do that. And yeah, that is all about command line window. So see you in the next lesson.